afternoon class 6 students. Today we'll start chapter number 6 and the name of the chapter is The Third Guru. Let's talk about number 1. Do you often get angry on petty issues? So students, all of us get angry at small things. If anyone speaks to us in an unusual way, then there is anger. If our mind does not want to do any work, then if someone speaks to us to do that work, we get angry. If someone scolded us without any mistake, then we get angry. We can't bear anything, means we can't tolerate any issues. Number 2, how do you manage your anger? Now it's very typical to control your anger, to control your emotions. In the moment, anger can be difficult to control or stop. However, we can try some steps to control it. For example, number 1, by recognizing the early signs of our anger. Secondly, by giving yourself time and space so that you can recall what is happening. Third, by applying techniques that can help you control your anger. For example, you can indulge yourself in some activities that you like to do. Now we will start our chapter. Guru Amar Das, the third of the 10 gurus of Sikhs, was a religious Vaishnav who spent most of his life performing ritual pilgrimage. Repeat this word. Pilgrimage means a pilgrim's journey and fasts of a devout Hindu. It was only after he met Guru Angad Dev, the second Sikh Guru, that he took Sikhism and became the Guru at the age of 73, succeeding him. This story is of Guru Amar Das. He was the third religious Vaishnav out of the 10 gurus of Sikhs. He spent most of his life in performing ritual pilgrimage and devote a Hindu fast. Guru Angad was the second Guru. He was the second Guru and became a Guru at the age of 73. It was only after meeting him that Guru Amar Das got success. Guru Amar Das served Guru Angad Dev so well that he decided to name him the next Guru instead one of his sons. So Guru Amar Das took very good care of Guru Angad and served him very well. Therefore, he decided to become the next Guru instead of his sons. Guru Angad Dev's son Datu, however, proclaimed, repeat this word, proclaimed means announced publicly himself as Guru at Khadur after his father's death and proceeded to Gondwal to confront, repeat this word, confront means come face to face, Guru Amar Das. Seeing Guru Amar Das seated on the throne, repeat this word, throne means bishop, by his followers, Datu said, you were a mere menial. Repeat this word, menial means a person with a menial job, servant of the house until yesterday. How dare you style yourself as the Guru? He even kicked the 73-year-old Guru, throwing him off his throne. However, Guru Amar Das, in all humility, started caressing Datu's foot and said, I am old, my bones are hard. You may have been hurt. As soon as Guru Angad dies, his son declared himself as Guru. And after that, he proceeded to Gondwal to confront Guru Amar Das. When Guru Amar Das was sitting on the throne with his followers, Datu is very angry to see this and said that till yesterday he was just a servant at home, and now how dared he How dared you to call yourself as Guru? He kicked the 73-year-old Guru to get off the throne. Even after such a bad behavior, Guru Amar Das started humping or cursing Dadu's feet in humility and said that he is old. His bones are very hard. Maybe you have got hurt. As demanded by Datu, Guru Amar Das left Gondwal and same evening and returned to his native village Basar. Now Datu wanted throne. He wanted to become a guru. So Guru Amar Das left Gondwal the same evening and returned to his native village Basarki. Not only did he vacate the throne and left the place, but he decided to shut himself in a small house for solitary meditation. Repeat this: for solitary meditation means single person practicing for of meditating. And a fixed means place a notice on the front door saying he who opens this door is no Sikh of mine, nor I am his guru. Now he had left not only the throne but also that place and decided that he would lock himself in a small house for solitary meditation. He put a notice on the door in which it was written that whoever opens this door, he will not be my Sikh and neither will his Guru.